All right, guys, we're back. And gonna look to review here how to estimate, okay, using fractions. And remember what I've taught you in the past. We want to get a quick estimation with fractions. We pretend is it a zero, close to zero, 1/2, or 1? And remember on a number line, right? 0, 1/2, or 1, and all fractions can fall into that line right there. And we have different denominators, obviously, but you're thinking about an estimate, a quick estimate. Okay, so uh, if you have, for example, 1/5 plus 4/6, right? We want a quick estimate here. We know that 1/5, 1 out of 5 parts, we know 1 out of 5 is closer to 0. So this would be like saying 0 plus what? Well, 4/6. Well, we could look at it two ways. We know that that reduces down to 2/3, and 2/3 is saying 2 parts out of 3, and we know 2 divided by 3 is 0.66. So we know 1/2 is 0.50, so 0.66. Well, here 0.75 would be 3 out of 4, right? So 0.66 is closer to here. So you ask yourself, is it closer to 1/2 or is it closer to 1? Well, you know it's going to be closer to 1/2, isn't it? So this is like saying 0 plus 1/2 equals 1/2. This is just a quick estimate. All right. So this is a review. I know you guys remember this. Hopefully I can keep scrolling down here. I guess I can't with this. So we're going to look at different fractions, different types of fractions. We have proper. And a proper fraction is when you have the numerator smaller than the denominator. So for example, 3/5. 3 parts out of 5 is a proper fraction. And we know that if we were to divide 3 divided by 5, that is equal to 0.60. You could turn it into a decimal as well. We have improper fraction. All right, that's when the numerator is larger than the denominator. So we have 5/3. Okay, and we can actually turn this number into a mixed number. All right, to reduce this. So it's 5 divided by 3. And so 3 goes into 5 how many times? It goes in 1 time with a remainder of 2, and we're working in thirds. So if you were to turn that into a decimal, it's the same as saying 1 and 66/100. Or if you kept going, 1 and 67/100 if you rounded. Okay. Let's see. There's a little review. So on your lesson today, you're just working on estimating first before you solve. You're thinking about, is it a proper fraction? Is it an improper fraction? So improper, again, numerator's larger than the denominator. Proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. All right, so I want you to be thinking about how to always reduce fractions, to small terms, and let's review reducing quickly. So if you have, let me go to a new, let's see, how do I make a new one here? I'm running out of room. Not sure how to make a new one here all of a sudden. So if we have 12/36 as our fraction, and we want to simplify that fraction, well, we ask ourselves, what common factor can we divide by to divide both the numerator and the denominator by that same common factor? And if you list all your common factors between 12 and 36, you want to do this in one step, well, you recognize that 12 goes into 12 itself 1 time, and 12 goes into 36 3 times. So you could actually divide by 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1, and 36 divided by 12 is 3. Sorry for my stylus here, it just is not very good. So 1 third. 1236 is equal to 1/3. All right, guys, good luck. Practice. If you need help, I'm here. All right, take care. Bye.